Imagine the worst rainstorm you've ever experienced. Now imagine it lasting not for hours, not for days, not even for years, but for 2 million years straight. This isn't science fiction. This actually happened on Earth, and it nearly killed everything. What you're about to learn isn't taught in schools. It's the story of the most extreme weather event in Earth's history. A rainstorm so massive, it could have filled the Pacific Ocean twice. But here's the crazy part. Without this catastrophic rainfall, you and I probably wouldn't be here today. And the reason why? Well, that's where things get interesting. To understand this incredible story, we need to travel back 232 million years ago. Earth looked nothing like it does today. All the continents were smushed together into a supercontinent called Pangaea. The planet was a scorching, hot mess. CO2 levels were 5 times higher than today. But something was about to happen that would change everything. And it started with the largest volcanic eruption in Earth's history. These weren't your regular volcanoes. We're talking about an eruption that covered an area larger than Europe. Scientists call it the Rangelia Large Igneous Province. Imagine 1 million modern volcanoes erupting at once. The eruptions pumped so much carbon dioxide into the atmosphere that Earth basically turned into a greenhouse on steroids. Global temperatures skyrocketed. But here's where it gets crazy. All this heat caused something that meteorologists call a runaway humidity effect. Think of Earth's atmosphere like a giant water cycle machine. More heat means more evaporation. More evaporation means more clouds. More clouds mean more rain. But this wasn't just any rain. This was Hypercane-level rainfall, every single day, for 2 million years. The rain was so intense, it literally wore mountains down. Rivers became seas, seas became mega lakes. And all this water carried something crucial with it. Nutrients. Tons and tons of nutrients. And this is where our story takes an unexpected turn. All these nutrients washing into the oceans triggered something extraordinary. The biggest explosion of marine life in Earth's history. New species evolved at a rate never seen before or since. And many of these species' descendants are still alive today, including some that led to us. Now you might be thinking, cool story, but why should I care? Well, here's the mind-blowing part. The amount of CO2 those ancient volcanoes released is almost exactly the same amount we've pumped into the atmosphere since the Industrial Revolution. Only we've done it about 100,000 times faster. So next time you're caught in the rain, remember that you're experiencing a tiny version of the storm that reshaped our planet. A storm that nearly ended all life, but instead helped create the world we know today. If you found this story as mind-blowing as I did, hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments. What other prehistoric events should we explore next?